vakomana vemuchange radio vanozikamwa kuti aiwa ndo vanozviti tinouya nechange. Vanenge vachiti the Zanu PF is the devil behind Sadc Instability. Mashoko ashamisa vanhu tichiona kuti aiwa vauya vakataura mashoko anotyisa ekuti aiwa the ruling party it is a devil behind Sadc Instability. Sana pana mashoko amuda togona vakomana vemuchange radio ndobva subscribe like otombe bell icon. Tipina pana ponyora vachiti the High Commissioner of the Southern African Human Rights Lawyers said there is evidence that Zanu PF and Mr. Mnangagwa interfered in Mozambique's recent elections. The National Electoral Commission declared. The opposition party PODEMOS, led by Venancio Mondlane, is accusing Frelimo of electoral fraud. Speaking with the South African state broadcaster Southern Africa Human Rights Lawyers, High Commissioner Talent Rusere fingered President ED and Zanu PF in the chaos ensuing in Mozambique. Over 50 people, including several prominent figures, have been killed in the post-vote unrest. Video circulating online shows Zimbabwean nationalists voting in the Mozambican elections, which Rusere believes may have influenced the election outcome. Added Rusere, well, it is not the first time that the Zimbabwean president and the ruling party is trying to interfere with the neighboring elections, and that is not a secret. We have some videos where Zimbabweans were given voter IDs to vote for Frelimo and testified in those videos that they had voted for Frelimo. New Zimbabwe ndo iri kuburitsa information iyi yatikuna iri kuzopostwa nakomana vechange radio. Hatikuona kuti aiwa kuMozambique kwatova nechaos, kwatova necrisis iri kukonzerwa ne the ruling party Zanu PF. Inhau iri kudiscusswa muSouthern Africa tichiona broadcasting cooperation vakaita sana ari kuBotswana unoona South Africa vari kugunun'una pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro penhau iyi? Pina comment section medu musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.